Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to go over the new feature called Turntable in Adobe Illustrator Beta. So be sure you have Adobe Illustrator Beta downloaded on your machine and let's get started. So what I've done is I've dragged in a character. This is just a JPEG image, and to get started we need to image trace this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come up here as the image trace option, and if you don't see your options up here, I like to change my workspace to the Essentials Classic, because the Essentials one, those buttons are hidden. You have to find them and dig around to find these things. So I like it looking like my Photoshop, and that'll be the Essentials Classic workspace. So with this selected, I'm going to press Image Trace, and it turns it black and white, but we can fix that in the options here for Image Trace. I'm going to click there. We're going to change black and white to gray, to color. And I don't think I need 30 colors, so I'm going to roll this down to about 8. You can see it's about the same. Now we can press expand here or here, doesn't matter. I'll press it right here, we'll expand. And I'll close this away. Alright, the next step is I like to get rid of the white background. So what I'm going to do, since I can't see if it's white, it's on white already, I'm going to move this over with my black arrow. So move it over here, you can see now it has that white background. I'm going to take my white arrow, the direct select tool. I can click off of it to deselect it, and then I'm only going to click on the white background and press delete. Now there's some other background here in between the legs. I'm going to delete that too. And while I'm here, I might as well clean up. I'm going to clean up a lot of the shadow, so I'm going to scoop that up and delete. Okay. And one more piece there. We'll delete that. Okay. Now don't use the white arrow, because it will, to move them back, that'll pull them apart. So I'm going to take the black arrow and select them again, and then move them back into the workspace. Okay, so now that that's finished, we can use this new feature here. So Turntable shows up on the taskbar, or it's over here on the right. So I'm going to click Turntable, and what it's going to do, it's going to generate multiple views of this character. And while we're waiting for this to work, I just want to say that, you can bring anything in here to animate as a character, or to use this turntable. It could be a drawing, it could be a painting of a character, and you just need to photograph it and bring it in. Okay, so now that that's finished, you can see the taskbar here. I have a slide bar where I can rotate this to see the different angles of this character. So if I wanted the back view, I could hold, with my black arrow, hold Option and drag it out here. I can then maybe find a different view here. Maybe the side view. I'll take that. I made it from this side. I can hold Option and drag them out like that. And maybe, side view on this side, and I can take that. So look at that. It does a great job of rotating your character, and then these could be taken to Adobe Animate for just a fantastic animation, and you don't have to do the whole work of trying to draw or recreate these characters in different views. You can use this turntable feature. So good luck with that. Have some fun with it, and see you in the next one. Bye.